All right, let's get into it. Today I'm reviewing the GenuinePurity Liposomal NMN supplement. If you've been hunting for the real deal in NMN, buckle up, because this one's got people talking. First up, what's the big deal with NMN? Well, NMN stands for β-Nicotinamide Mononucleotide. It's a powerhouse ingredient that helps boost NAD plus levels in your body, which means more energy, better focus, and for some people, even healthier aging. But here's where GenuinePurity stands out. It's got a pure 96% NMN formula. That's premium stuff, no fillers, just what you're looking for. Now let's talk absorption, because let's be honest, if your body isn't soaking this up, you're just wasting your money. GenuinePurity uses liposomal encapsulation technology. Sounds fancy, but in plain English, liposomes act like little delivery trucks, making sure the NMN actually gets where it's needed in your system. More bioavailability means you get more out of every dose. And about that dose, each serving gives you 250 milligrams of pure NMN, the clinically studied amount. Plus, every batch is third-party lab tested, so you know exactly what you're putting in your body. There's even a certificate of authenticity, so you're not just taking their word for it. Here's the bottom line. If you want an NMN supplement that's effective, transparent, and cutting-edge, GenuinePurity Liposomal NMN checks all the boxes. I always say, if you're going to invest in your health, make sure it's the real thing. Hit the link below to check it out for yourself. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.